Welcome back, graduates. So today we're very excited because we just released Ecomify Theme 2.3. And so what this means is we have basically so many app-like features that we are starting to run out of features to provide for you. So in this video, we're going to give you an overview of how the theme works, what it does, and what new offers and features it has for you, plus asking for in the comment section below new feature requests and any bugs that you would like, or any new options in the settings, and things like that. So without further ado, let's just go into Ecomify 3.0, or I'm sorry, Ecomify 2.3. And we're just going to go over some new things that you might have missed that are not in the documentation, but we just want to go over that with you. So right over here, this is for mobile. And then right over here, this is for viewing on full screen. I'm on a laptop, so I have the left sidebar and the right sidebar for my editing canvas. So you'll see the animated stories, and you'll have color strokes, and you also have visibility options right over here for mobile, tablet, and desktop. One of the new features that we allowed in the carousel was if you scroll at the very bottom of the carousel into the block very bottom here, you're going to have a slide link. So if you do not have two buttons here and you don't wish to have two buttons here, you can definitely just have a link here, and then the whole image itself will be, without the link, will be a link to the appropriate link that you choose. Furthermore, another thing that we we allowed was going into here, going into the product page. And what this allows is you have personalization fields. So not only do we just have, a text that says what is your personalization and an upload, we have so many other features, as well as we have a text, a phone, a date, text area, a file upload, a select, a radio, and a checkbox. So date would basically mean that the gap that you ask for the time, and then it goes and it adds to cart, and it also shows all the data. So you're trying to basically get all the data that you need, and it goes into cart, and then it'll go into your into the customer order form. So this is a really big feature that we have added, and this also works for homemade and handcrafted items as well, or if there's custom portrait photos that they need to upload, things like that. We also have a really big feature, which is the quiz, the upload, and also the bundle builder. Those are all paid apps that are, along with a lot of other features as well, that are all costly. And so we've tried to put them all into the theme, so you do not have to buy for extended apps. Going on to the homepage again, scrolling down, we have added new sections. When looking at the demo, just letting you know that there are other sections that are not there, but you can easily just unhide them. And once you click save, it will be visible right here. We have a image compare, we have an image list for brand sliders, we have a separator, a rich text, and latest articles as well. We are optimizing our latest articles, meaning when you go to the pages and our blogs, we will have it where we have the featured products, but if you click on a blog, this will populate to a product, so they can select through a meta field, or also showcase the next article here as well. So we have a lot of features in line, but we do need to have new ideas as well. And this is a community thing that we really wanted to have for you guys, and we have worked with so many big clients that we have tested out this design, that design, and we know that this works. We've given you a lot of settings for you to change the styling, and also like square and rounded settings as well. One of the other big things that we did was when you go into the collection pages, you have a filtering, and then we've also added more so you can see what it looks like, how to add this. This is handled through also the search and discovery app by Shopify. Going into here, the product page, scrolling onto the product template. If you might have missed this, we did add this option now, show thumbnails show thumbnails images on mobile. So when going on mobile, currently it is like this for demo purposes and by default when you get the theme. However, there is an option where it looks like this, and it does help with conversions to have it slide and peek through as another thumbnail. These are just really big and small tweaks that we've added into these settings. So definitely take a look at what the sections are. And also the settings for the section, as we have hidden those features in it. This is Ecomify 2.3. This is the latest version currently. You can check out our documentation, and it is easily accessible right here as well. This goes through every step of the support, all the way through our change log. You can follow it all the way throughout, and then when we have a new one, it'll let you know to be announced a certain date to be released as well. We also have meta fields, things to help you out to build out the Ecomify theme right there. And then we also have, we're going to also have a more advanced footer option for you as well, and also certain pages. We have another new feature of the contact page, and then also we're going to have in the FAQ, we're going to have a nice search right here, so you can just search out the FAQs. So we just want to give you an overview of the theme and how powerful it is. You can use it for a single product. You can use it for any niche. And also, if you're just starting out, or if you are in your mid journey of your ecom experience, ecom journey, then this is the theme for you. It has literally almost every app you can think of. Sticky add to cart. It does configure with recharge. It does configure with reviews, and things like that. So it's a really powerful theme to really get you up and running, and we're very proud of it. So